For your Canvas tutorial, I'm going to take you through different things in Canvas that will help you out and help you be successful throughout the semester. All right, first on your home page, you'll see a copy of your syllabus here, along with a course schedule and calendar, and then a Zoom link that will take you directly to our Zoom link. So instead of going to our email every day, you can just go to Canvas and click it, and it will pull up our Zoom link at the correct time. Here we have our home button, which will always take me back to this page, our modules, our grades, our Google Drive, and our Zoom. Really, these two links you're not going to use but so much, but the three top ones are going to be your most important. So if I click the modules here, it's going to take us to our different modules. Now our introduction week, very simply, is going to have 4 tutorial videos on the most important things that we're going to cover in the class. So our 30-day challenge, which we're going to get to in week 2, our physical activity logs, which we're going to do every single week, an NFHS tutorial on how to submit and do the videos from NFHS when we get to those in week 3, and our Canvas course tutorial, which we're covering now. So you can always go back to this and watch if you're confused on how to work Canvas. So introduction module is very important as far as the class is concerned. Down here, we have our class resource module, which are exercises that you can use for your physical activity log. I'll continue to update that throughout the semester and add new things that you guys can use for different workouts. Now, as we go through, starting in week 1, this is where your assignments are going to begin, and it's going to follow your course calendar back on the home page. So if you click your course calendar / schedule, it'll match up with what assignments are due in what week. So this matches up also with your paper packets. As you can see here in week 1, the only thing we're doing is a physical activity log. And then in week 2, we're going to begin our 30-day challenge as well, our second physical activity log. And I only post so many weeks at a time. So for week 1, the only thing you're actually going to be able to see on your end is week 1, and I will not post week 2 until the following week on that Monday. So that is how this is going to flow as far as your work goes in your modules. Now on the home button, you do have the handy feature of a to-do list, which will show you everything that is getting ready to become due. And then I can always check it in my grades as well. It'll show you everything that has been posted and whether or not you've turned it in, it's late, or it is missing, what score you got as a total. So you can help keep up with your grades in this fashion. So there's no need to email me for a list of what you're missing. If you simply click your grades, it'll be here. Now, Canvas is going to be synced up with PowerSchool. It'll go in after I've graded everything in Canvas every night at 3 a.m. It shoots it to your PowerSchool. PowerSchool is where you're going to get your most accurate data because it's going to be calculated correctly. Canvas will be just a good measure of what you're missing or what you need to turn in. So that's really it for Canvas. Like I said, everything should be here on your homepage for you to use. And other than that, it's pretty simple. And you can always email me if you need any other assistance.